All right, we've got one of the mufflers installed. This is the JBA axle back setup. See if I can get underneath it here. It took a little bit of bending as far as the getting these little hangers up in there to be lined up properly so that the muffler and the tip is lined up properly. Aftermarket muffler, you just never know how it's set up from the factory. So it took a little bit of tweaking and bending to get this lined up just right, because I don't want to have this muffler touching the rear bumper fascia here, or I don't want it to be too far this way or this way. So it just takes a little bit of enhancement or enforcement, whatever you want to call it, a little bit of manipulation to those hangers. So that's one of them. And of course we can't wait to install the rest of it because it is raining outside. So I'm going to go ahead and open the garage door and fire this baby up, and let's see if we can tell a difference between the JBA muffler and the stock Mustang GT over there. Excuse all the mess back in here. I wasn't planning on having to put this car in here to do this job. So give me 1 second. Whatever. So let's listen.